Your gloves match your beard. Look up to the light. Ching! With a bolt-on performance, boys.
Moral of the story is buy an AP3.
Nah, BMW. Should have been a BMW. Issues. Loose, loose, snap. Or loose, loose. Fucked the head, can't get the bolt out. Put the car back together and go home. Get yourself in the mystery box, mate. Here we go. The jumble cell of long lost, forgotten shit. There's more in here. If I want to adapt and manipulate a socket, that's the box I'm getting out. Cutting it, welding it, sticking it on something else. Come on. In here, you. Yeah, maybe. Wiggly bum. Food run. Food run. There he is. You don't look the best impressed, babe. All good? Yeah? Alright. Oh, the negative.
I've got to find a way to get it through the hole.
Oh, why don't we just dump the subframe? Oh, yeah, we could engine mount, a few bolts. Oh, is that the steering rack at the back?
Steering rack.
Well, yeah, loosen steering rack off, that go that way. Subframe come this way. No?
No shaft.
Aye, that'll do. Woo. Yeah, we're going to call this a part 1. And I'm going to get back to it in part 2 after we've eaten.